Excuses, no, no, no more. Excuses. It's time to drop the excuses and start taking responsibility for your life. No more blaming circumstances. No more pointing fingers. It's time to own your choices and take control of your destiny. You see, excuses are nothing more than self-imposed limitations. They're the stories we tell ourselves to justify why we're not where we want to be or why we haven't achieved our goals. But the truth is, excuses will only hold you back from reaching your full potential. So, if you want to achieve success, if you want to live a life of purpose and fulfillment, it's time to say goodbye to excuses and hello to action. No more saying, "I don't have enough time." Time is a precious resource, but it's also a matter of priorities. If something is truly important to you, you'll make the time for it. No excuses. No more saying, "I don't have enough money." While financial constraints can be challenging, they should never be an excuse for not pursuing your dreams. Get creative, find alternative solutions, and remember that where there's a will, there's a way. No more saying, "I'm not good enough." Self-doubt is natural, but it's also a choice. Instead of focusing on your limitations, focus on your strengths. Believe in yourself, believe in your abilities, and know that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. No more saying, "I'll start tomorrow." Tomorrow is a mythical land that never comes. If you want to change your life, if you want to achieve your goals, start today. No excuses. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your dreams is you. So, stop making excuses, start taking action, and watch as you transform your life in ways you never thought possible. No more excuses. It's time to take ownership of your life and create the future you desire. With determination, perseverance, and a commitment to action, there's nothing you can't achieve. So, what are you waiting for? Start today and let your actions speak louder than your excuses.